Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to partition C drive without formatting and no data loss in Windows 10. I want to partition C drive. Type Disk Management in Windows search bar. Click Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Right-click C drive, click Shrink Volume. Click Shrink. Right-click Unallocated, click New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.